Good evening. Stuck with the same greetings, then realizing I'm repeating the same. रख दो उसको बाहर, रख दो. And just as we get the break and we get a joke or feel agitated, but trying to improve that these breaks are for my betterment. I'm improving, so I accept few interruption of others who are kind people. Let me tell you, no interruption of people who are trying to overpower. So this is accepting, changing ourselves, empowering ourselves, and then after conquer conquering it, I realize the word through the other that other may have not heard. So immediate next is I repeat. This is why I repeat. Now others have to check why they are repeating. Do they feel their speech is not clear, so they have to repeat themselves, or it's just voluntarily, or they always feel that I have to show my always better image, correct to others. Then we have the fumble in words, because we are capturing, we are improving, it's getting relayed, and relaying means things are getting delayed. We are improving in our stretch. In this, repetition comes. This I said, when we understand, we know the statement must have not reached the other. In that way, they must have heard something wrong word, they would have not understood, so I have to repeat. Few people repeat when others say, what did you say? I couldn't get it. Sorry, I couldn't hear you. Then they repeat. So when people repeat, these are the reasons. And when this repetition or always have to repeat becomes a part of you yourself, this is how we have to check ourselves. This is how we can understand why we are doing this. So today word is repeat. It's like when we used to do homeworks in school, we used to write five times. It's like repeating, which the other word is copying. We used to copy whatever was the first word teacher used to write, then after that we used to write 5 times. That is like copying. Now after repeating we will come to copying. This is the second part, how few things become a habit. While copying others, or we learn to copy others, it may be we know or we don't know. It's always at how we want others to give our the respect, the leadership, to become a boss. So what we try to do in middle of other people shows what you have learnt. You know because you have learned from somewhere. So you're trying to, you have copied them who have better hold. You copy them and their behavior becomes your behavior, and similarly you behave in the similar way, or you have copied them so much that their character enters yourself, and now you are that character. Copying someone, copying others can be good or bad. If you're copying a bad person and imitating the same thing, trying to empower people, harass people, then it's a bad copying. Now what is a good copy? Good copy is you're following people, how they speak, you mimic them, you try to act them, you try to dress up them like them. That means you are twinning. That is called twin. My first word people won't understand now, so I am giving many more synonyms. This is bad. Good copy we feel, but bad when we as a twin who have copied others, we do such act so much that we feel are right, that the other person can be defamed. I mean, we make in such a way, we make fun of so much, we pull their legs so much, so this becomes bad. It started with good notes, how good also becomes bad. Bad was always bad, so there is nothing much to speak about. But I speak about how we are drained means moving from here to there is draining. I will explain you what is draining in the long run. So we are drained in such a way that our goodness goes, and stepping ahead, addition, and we forget that we have crossed the thin line and we are on the other side of badness. Which is the other side of badness which we feel? Was not my intention. I don't have anything wrong about them. I don't have any bad feelings about them. I never wanted this to happen to them. This is the other side of badness. Means unintentional. The stone went to them, but they got hurt. The stone have touched them. And how much hurt, how much pain they got with this stone makes you realize that I should have not done this. This is the other side of the coin, which we say. If we realize and the break came, the sound. So it's always about the sound, the quality, the words coming out, how you be with the people with the sound, how you go against of the people with the sound. When the sound becomes a sound pollution, we have to understand what are the hurting ranges. We have to understand. This is the findings. This is I understand. And when you understand that so and so sound coming out of me is hurdling others, now the sound should be so pure that I spread peace and I get peace. It's karma. We are always answerable to our own self. If we are not afraid of others, if we are not afraid of what we are repeating, if you are not afraid of the badness we are doing, harming to the society, being a parasite to the society, speaking wrongs and think that so much power. So if you really want to change yourself. It's always like start from your home. Your home is yourself. So charity begins at home, should be taken and considered as that we have to donate happiness, we have to donate peace, and be a human, understand others as humans. Be such good human that my family, my country is proud of me. People can call us noble person if we spread right knowledge, spread peace. That's it. That is how we can become a person who reaches the peak through better sound. Sound has the input of words, music, and other bits which music includes: words, messages, music. What beyond you will go in sound? So if we like to hear good music, that means we are also supposed to spread goodness, good music. Something calms me down. Nature sound calms me down. Meditation music calms me down. That means that should also come out from me. I am the creator. That means intake what I take, the goodness I like inside me. I will never want anything bad inside me. I should not get something bad which destroys my peace. Similar, we have to understand it is our responsibility. Others are human. Same thing we are supposed to do out. We should not spread badness, bad sounds, bad music, bad words, bad messages, fake things, irresponsibility. So your intake is calculated in such a way what has gone inside you and what has gone outside you. The same way, what are your incoming calls and what are your outgoing calls. So the intake you had, the outgoing you did, is calculated under your karma. Sometimes we are not able to adjust. Example is, मैंने बच्चे को डांटा या घर में मुझ पे प्रभाव था, घर में थोड़ी अशांति हो गई जिसका कारण मैं अपने आप को मानती हूँ. तो मेरे कर्मा में क्या हुआ आया, आउटगोइंग. आज शांति भंग हुई, उसका कारण ये है. मैंने किसको कितना इसमें पॉइंट किया है, ये सेकंड पार्ट पे आता है. फर्स्ट थिंग आपका क्या आएगा कर्मा में, आपका रेंज ऊपर नीचे हुआ, आपने क्रोध किया, आपसे बाहर ये गया, आपकी आवाज़ इतनी ऊंची थी, साउंड पॉल्यूशन हुआ, दूसरों की शांति भंग हुई, दूसरों को हर्ट हुआ. द कॉन्सिक्वेंस, शॉर्ट फॉर्म कॉन्सिक्वेंस, आपका आउट गोइंग से क्या हुआ, दूसरों पर किसका कितना इसमें हिस्सेदारी है, कौन सही है कौन गलत है, दैट कम्स लेटर. पर आपने ये किया, आपके अंदर का ये जो हम कहते हैं ना, जो चला गया, तो आपका पीस माइनस हो गया, सामने वाले का पीस माइनस हो गया. सो दिस इज़ हाउ कर्मा इज़ कैलकुलेटेड. आपको कुछ समझ में आया हो तो अच्छी बात है. तो आउट गोइंग आपका दिख गया, उनका इनकमिंग ये दिख गया. यहाँ पे किसका नाम है, यहाँ पे फलाना का नाम है. उनके इनकमिंग में किसका नाम है, किसने शांति इनकी भंग की, उसी फलाने का नाम है. सो इट्स लाइक मेरा नाम कहाँ कहाँ पर आता है. ओह, ये तो बहुत पीक पे चले गए, इनमें बैडनेस बहुत बढ़ गया है. So that badness gets accumulated and you get the returns of it. Accumulation आया ना. Without interest, the interest you have already paid. What was that? Because I have to relate things, that's why I have to say that you have the interest you have already paid. What was your interest? Your interest was getting angry easily, agitated, speaking louder, sound pollution, and much more when the list comes. You have paid the interest and now you get the returns. आपने ये काम किया है तो बैडनेस आपको कुछ देगा ना रिटर्न में. क्या देगा? इल हेल्थ, इल वेल्थ, इलनेस, स्प्रेड टॉक्सिसिटी, something gets minus. Now the minus gets is brain is harmed, bad relations, people won't understand, too harsh people, because now your tone is higher and the louder you speak, people copy you and they speak louder. This is how the copy part is. So we have to repeat now. To defeat few things, take the help of the goodness. How do I improve this so that I get no mental illness, I get mental peace? What is the opposite of illness? To have good health. So my this message sounds enough, and with one example I am meaningful. We can have many examples if people are facing through many problems. I have written the life pattern, the pattern they don't know because I'm studying this on my own. I'm writing about this, that we have many things repeating outside. Our lives have patterns. Our tradition, our customs have certain patterns. Our life and its happenings is following a pattern. How much family is required and what will come to that family, the situations, the problems I'm trying to write about. But whatever I have seen through in my surrounding, I'm writing about it. I am understanding people and their problems, not to by going to them and asking about what problems you have. It's about realizing, analyzing them, observing them, and deciding there is something whole above which God is not writing. This pattern which we are in, this is something else happening to us. We as a living soul, our lives, the life pattern of each family follows a certain pattern. My family has certain issues or problems, is a part of that pattern. My neighbor won't have the similar pattern, because it's like if I have this problem, the next won't have that pattern same, because we will always have something to talk about, and we will understand that there is something gadbad ghotala. So things are happening in a concealed way, in a concealed way. The wires are concealed, the life pattern, the family member pattern, the number pressure, the earning pattern, the health pattern, the wealth pattern, no child pattern, always in trouble pattern, addiction pattern, a family which have all the goods won't have so and so, a family who has one member who is bad in behavior will have so and so problem, that pattern. And then the location pattern, then the state pattern, then the area pattern, then the country, national pattern, other countries pattern, then whole combined international pattern. I will speak about this in long run, that why, what is the similarity though there is thin line difference. These are the patterns which somebody has made, and they have put all the lives in it, and we are on that track, and we don't know where our train is taking us. We are in a tunnel, and our lives and ahead, we don't know if our destination is good or bad, till we understand, till God reaches all of us and we are out of the dark. We understand which track, which pattern has been followed on a family, on single life, single going, single track, with family, the pattern, behaviors, habits. When I spoke about the addictions, incoming, outgoing. So incoming, outgoing is everything: food, clothing, shelter, and above all, money. Earn, sell, buy, sale, purchase, miscellaneous expenditure, sundry expenses, import, export. Individuals also do. So import, export, we think about the country. Individuals also do. Businesses, import, export. So this pattern, the above outline, I have successfully achieved and understood the innermost depths and the problems which are hurdling these patterns. And when I say that there is always the others column, others, Means even after discussing all this, people who won't relate understand. So there is the other drop down list, they fall under the category of others, and they will understand that they are also part of this only. So every people fall unto others till they analyze, understand, observe their life pattern. They understand why these technical statements, because when you have to come above all, you have to speak something which is relevant truth, though people won't find anything relativity in this. So what I am gaining in this? See, I am already on loss. Whenever I speak about the concealed part, I have many happenings inside me, but then too I will speak and remove the fear that I cannot speak about the real truth. People should know that many bads happen to them is not done by God, and life runs on the auto mode. So there is a track before we are born. So we are like वो खिलौना दिखा होगा ना आपने, ट्रैक, उसका जो ट्रैक आप जिधर जिधर डालोगे ट्रेन उधर जाएगा. तो वो ट्रैक आपको कहाँ लेके जा रहा है, कहाँ से जा रहे हैं आपका. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल रियल ट्रेन्स आप देखोगे तो आपको यहाँ से वहाँ पहुँचना है, तो आपको रास्ता बनाने के लिए ट्रैक्स कहाँ कहाँ से डाला, उसमें ट्रैक्स बनाने में क्या क्या लगा और कितनी मेहनत लगी, उसमें आपका खुद का क्या उसमें श्रम लिया गया आपको बिना बताए. सो बिहाइंड ऑल दिस इज़ हैपनिंग. लेकिन आपको उस ट्रैक पे डाला गया और इतना बड़ा डर, इतना बड़ा खौफ जब हम देखेंगे तो बड़े से बड़े डर जाएंगे. आई हैव सीन दैट behind. So that was very fearful to get stuck in darkness, stuck where you feel that others are using you and they can move around, and but we are stuck. Today I got a dream that was very, I was very fearful, dangerous, not able to get proper word because the force I'm getting is like खौफ आया, बहुत डर गई. इट्स लाइक आपको पकड़ के एक कंटेनर में डाल दिया है और बहुत हैवी फील हुआ, तेज़ी से, कैन नॉट मूव. और उसी सपने में मुझे रियल फील हो रहा है कि मैं उठा रही हूँ, मुझे बचाओ, मुझे किसी ने पकड़ रखा है. और स्ट्रगल ये था कि उन लोगों को पता है कि हमको कोई दिख नहीं रहा है, तो वो और जकड़े जा रहे हैं, पकड़ लिया और हम लोगों से ही एक्ट करवा रहे हैं कि आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, आप मारो. तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा, दोनों तरफा उनका ही है, हमसे ही करवा रहे हैं और दिखा रहे हैं कि हम कर रहे हैं, हम रिवोल्ट कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि आवाज़ में पहचान गई, दोनों जो थे ना, दोनों उनकी तरफ के ही थे. बट सडनली मेरी आंखें खुल गई एंड आई वॉज लाइक, अच्छा वो आँख खुल गया, नहीं तो आई फेल्ट दैट आई एम स्टक देयर. अब आँख खुलने के बाद अंदर क्या हो रहा है, क्या तकलीफ़ है, क्या हैवीनेस है, वो तो हम भूल जाते हैं, हम लोग फील तो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आँख बंद रखने से जो तकलीफ़ हो रही है ना, कि यहाँ से बाहर नहीं जा पाओगे, हमें हिला नहीं सकते, हमारा कुछ बिगाड़ नहीं सकते, अगर ये सब सुनाई देगा तो कितना बड़ा खौफ था वहाँ पर, विच कैन अटैक यू बट यू कैन नॉट अटैक इन रिटर्न। अटैक तो जाने दो, यू कैन नॉट इवन प्रोटेक्ट सेव योर सेल्फ। somebody is so powerful। तो वो खौफ आ गया आज, बहुत बहुत डर गई मैं। क्यों आया? बिकॉज टुडे आई वाज राइटिंग अबाउट ऑल दिस पैटर्न्स एंड आई ऑलरेडी स्पोकन। सो 35 मिनट्स हो गया है एंड नाउ आई स्टॉप द वीडियो हियर। लेट्स सी वेयर माय लाइफ पैटर्न विल टेक मी टुडे। जो लोग सच कहते हैं उनका पैटर्न कहाँ जाता है? हाउ मैनी people you can see who are opposing, which they will feel that you are spreading something wrong or rumors, but without they understand or their patterns, somebody is provoking them to simply jump without observation. They have to understand that before we are saying this, how they know this or why she is saying this. She may have gone through this, that's why she is speaking about this. Though things are behind me and I am speaking about, because right now sound is the only way through I can communicate. Only sound. The video part will come when I have empowered my fear of being unsuccessful or failure or not able to change things from my track. जो फियर अभी है वो सच था, मानती हूँ, लेकिन इस बारे में बात करना ही, उसको मैसेज में डालना, एक वे बनाना, एक ट्रैक डालना, दूसरों को बताना कि ये चल रहा है, ये होप में कि शायद मैं एक राइट ट्रैक बना रही हूँ और पीपल विल सपोर्ट एंड कम अहेड एंड दे विल नो that we were all facing this and I may get some support from them. So getting a good group who revolts against the bad people we always require, because we also want to make army, we also want patriots. This way also we can say patriot. I won't say bhakt chahiye. We will say patriots who have defeated, who have learned, accepted and now ready to break the enemy and help other peoples. So this is how we can make army. Even such army is required. I end this video